Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Power Automate for approvals between Planner and Teams step by step clearly. Open the Power Automate homepage. Sign in with your Microsoft account if prompted. Click on Create from the left navigation panel. Select Automated Cloud Flow from the options. In the pop-up window, give your flow a descriptive name. Choose the trigger when a task is created from the available connectors. Select Planner as the connector for the task. Choose the specific planner you are using from the drop-down list. Click on New Step to add the next action. Search for approval in the action search bar. Select Start an approval from the list of actions. Customize your approval details by filling in the required fields. Include the title of the approval in the Approval Type section. Add any necessary messages or instructions for the approver in the Details box. Next, click on Add a recipient to select your approvers. Select User and enter the email addresses of individuals who will approve the task. After adding recipients, click on New Step to continue. Search for Post a message in Teams as your next action. Select Post a message in a chat or channel. Choose the appropriate Teams and channel from the drop-down menu. In the message box, provide context about the task and approval request. Make sure to include dynamic content from the Planner task in your message. Click on Save in the upper right corner to save your flow. Test the flow by creating a new task in Planner. Check if an approval request is sent through Teams as expected. Monitor the response of the approvers in the Teams channel. Adjust any settings or configurations in your flow as necessary. Congratulations, your Power Automate flow for approvals between Planner and Teams is now configured. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.